Okay, we'll stay with Bangalore, where the Hosur Sarjapur Road layout, or HSR layout as it's called, is a relatively new suburb that has caught the interest of home buyers. But on the ground, what are the infrastructure developments that are driving HSR layout? Lakshmi Sivadas finds out if this is a market recommended for end users and investors.
Govardhan Reddy used to live in JP Nagar for over a decade. But when it came to owning a new home, he decided to pick HSR layout, despite it being 10 kilometers away from where he works. The planned development and connectivity in the region was one of the main reasons for the move.
For us, the kids' school is on Sarjapur Road, so about 10-12 kilometers. A similar distance for me to the office. What I like about this place, of course, this had a lot more open space, and it was a very well developed area with a lot of parks and by-lanes. Of course, there was not high density because there are many apartments around this place, high-rise apartments. Everything fell for us because somebody like my wife, who is a homemaker, she didn't have to step out of this place if she wanted anything.
HSR, or the Hosur Sarjapur layout in the southeast of Bangalore, has seen a rise in demand from home buyers owing to its proximity to IT hubs. It lies between Koramangala, the outer ring road, and the Silk Boat Junction, making it an ideal spot for employees from the IT and ITES sectors. There's been a supply of over 4,800 residential projects in the region, of which over 4,700 units have been absorbed. Top developers who have projects in the region include Shobha Developers, Puravankara and Nagarjuna Constructions. While prices in the area have risen in recent years, it is still a popular option since it's more affordable than other residential hotspots in the region like Koramangala and Jayanagar.
HSR, as of now, it is a premium area, not super premium, not very affordable. It's affordable going towards the premium and then super premium area. If you say the Indiranagar is been today, Indiranagar and Koramangala is today A plus area, like a prime area when people are treating Indiranagar Defence Colony. HSR you can say B plus, going towards A side. But down the line 5-7 years, HSR will be also one of the area, one of the location which can be compared with any good location like Koramangala or Indiranagar Defence Colony.
Prices of residential projects in HSR layout have risen from 4,800 rupees in the first quarter of 2013 to over 6,000 rupees per square feet in the first quarter of 2015. The area is primarily dominated by plotted developments.
It's a BDA layout. You find more of this independent plots, like independent large bungalows, which fits into the which fits in for people like who want individual houses. But if people have the appetite and the interest to kind of look at large-sized gated community apartments, that doesn't exist to a large extent because of the non-availability of the land. I would recommend this region more for home buyers. See, as and when the new developments keep coming up, the availability of new large land parcels are available in this particular region. New developments keep coming up, so there is umpteen number of competition. So that is when the rates pick up, which is good for investors, but that doesn't exist. So there are not enough land parcels in and around HSR layout.
When it comes to HSR layout, experts also warn home buyers to be wary of issues of traffic congestion and solid waste management which have cropped up in the region. From Bengaluru, Lakshmi Sivadas for NDTV.